How to write 1.375 as a mixed number in simplest form. Mixed number has two parts. One is whole number part, another is fractional part. Okay, this decimal number has two parts. This is whole number part. So the value of a here is 1. This is fractional part, but this is in decimal form. We need to convert this decimal form into fractional form. So how to do that? Just rewrite. You can rewrite 1 times decimal 375. Now convert this decimal to fraction. So how to do that? We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal you have to consider 10. We have 3 digits after decimal, write 310. Now reduce this fraction. Okay, so to reduce this fraction in one step, you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or divisor. But if you want to reduce this fraction in multiple steps, like me, you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor or common divisor. This number has 5 at the last, so this is divisible by 5. This number has 0 at the last, so this is divisible by 5. I will get 2 here, and I will get what? 5 goes into 37 how many times? 7 times. 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 2, and 25. 5 goes into 25 5 times. Again, this is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. I'll get 2 here. I'll get what? 5 goes into 7 one time. Subtract 2, 25. That is 5. Again, this is divisible by 5. I will get 3. This is divisible by 5. I will get 2. So basically, we are getting 3 over 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 1 plus 3 over 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Okay, so we have gotten b by c, that is fractional part. Now just combine these two, 1 and 3 over 8. So look, this is the mixed number or mixed fraction.